Welcome to Declaration SolidWorks CADCam Practice 28. Today we are going to create 3D model random part graph. So here is the detailed drawing of the 3D model random part graph. Here's side view, front view and the top view. This is the simple 3D model random with simple features. We are going to use both extrude, cut extrude, as well as today I'm going to introduce a new feature which is 3D sketch and swept cut at this area. So we can start with the top view and we are going to create this model first and then going to cut this area and finally we are going to cut this area. So let's begin. So for this I'm going to use the top plane, create a new sketch, and using the line command I'm going to, you can use the center rectangle command, create a rectangle, and I'm going to give the dimension here about 28 and the top length is about 50. Okay, and then I'm going to create a line over here, this, and this, and make sure that I'm going to give the dimension here 7, the length between here, and the distance between here to here is 21, the width is 7 as well. Alright, and then I'm going to trim part over here, and we have the top view angle, exit sketch, and then click on the extrude, so the height is 28 as well. Click OK. Now we have the design like this, so we are going to cut over here and then cut over here. So for this feature I'm going to select this plane or this face, and I'm going to use the corner rectangle from this edge, and then I'm going to give the dimension about, the height is 14, the width also 14. Alright, exit sketch. Using the extrude cut feature I'm going to blindly cut until 14. Alright, so we have already cut this feature. Finally we are going to cut this feature. So for this we are going to use the 3D sketch. For the 3D sketch you go to the sketch, and here at the sketch you can expand, you can see this 3D sketch. Alright, for the 3D sketch we will play with the coordinates y axis, z axis and x axis. So just randomly click on the command line, so you can see that at the origin or at the cursor you are going to draw at the xy. Just simply click on the tab, you can change the sketch face. So first of all I'm going to sketch on z and x axis over here to here. Just click on the line to edges and then click tab. Now I'm going to draw y and z axis like this. Again you click tab like this. So it's a 3D sketch. We are done sketch on the faces, and I'm going to give the dimension is about, here to this point is 14, here to this point, this point is 7, and here to this point is 14 as well. So our sketch is fully defined now. We just exit the sketch, go to the feature, you can see the swept cut command. So for this we click the 3D sketch, and for the line you click on this edge. Delete. I'm going to select this edge. No. Alright, I'm going to select this edge, and then I'm going to select the third command, which is direction 2, and click OK. So you can see that it will cut like this. Alright, within a 3 simple steps we have completed the 3D model random part graph. So that's all for this video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.